The exclusionary rules and fruits of Poisonius Tree doctrine are vital legal principle and criminal procedure that prevent use of illegally obtained evidence in court. These rules ensure that law enforcement adhere to constitutional rights during investigation. The exclusionary rules state that evidence obtained in violation of a defendant's constitutional rights is inadmissible in criminal trial. This includes violation of the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendment. The primary goals is to discourage law enforcement from violating constitutional rights, protect individual rights, ensure that the individual rights are protected from illegal search, seizures, and interrogation. The fruit of Poisonius Tree doctrine extend exclusionary rules to evidence derived from illegally obtained evidence. This means that if the initial evidence, the Poisonius Tree is strengthened, any subsequent evidence, the fruit is also inadmissible. To stop the government from benefiting from its initial unlawful action, maintain integrity of legal process, ensure the legal process remain fair and just, applies evidence discovered as a result of the initial illegal act. Exclusionary rules focus on evidence direct obtained through illegal means. Fruits of the Poisonius Tree doctrine focus on evidence derived from the initial illegal act. Exclusionary direct violation of constitutional rights lead to exclusion of evidence. Fruit of the Poisonius Tree: the initial integrity illegally obtained subsequent discoveries, making them inadmissible.